It's looking nice. Oh my god. Too close.
She was wildin', she is tryna get back into time. That girl so lovely, it's 3 in the morning. It must be something special, cause girl, you know I'm on it.
Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this look right here. Yeah. I feel like I look up on. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so first we're going to start off by going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. We're going to be using this concealer and we're going to apply it onto our eyelids and use it as a base for the eyeshadow. Going in with this palette from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill The Volt collection. It's called Bling Boss. I don't know if you can see it. Like, is it showing? It's not showing, but it's Bling Boss. And yeah, I'm going to go in and I'm going to be using this shade right here. Going in with this brush right here, I'm going to blend out the color that I just had on my crease. Now we're going to go in with the James Charles palette with Morphe. Before I open it, I just want to say it fell on the floor and some colors broke. And yeah, I had to, I don't know, I had to improvise and put some colors in from like some other stuff. But yeah, you ready? Look, I'm gonna show you guys. It's really bad. Like, it's so bad that like, you see that? You see that broke, and then this shade is like coming out. Yeah, I put like the Anastasia, the highlighter there. I don't know, but yeah, it broke. But I'm going to go in with the same brush that I used to blend out the color, and I'm going to dip my brush into this shade right here. Now going back with the James Charles palette, I'm going to take the same brush and dip my brush into this color right here. Now going in with this palette, this bad boy. Psst, oh, never again. Going in with this palette, I'm going to go in with this brush, dip that brush into the shade that I was using earlier, and apply it. Apply it to like make it look better. Now to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer again and this Morphe M508 brush and cut my crease. Now going in with my finger, I'm going to use it and like tap it, yeah, tap like the concealer so it looks better. Yeah. Now back again with this palette, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild brush. It doesn't say the name, but it's really flat. And yeah, I'm gonna take this and I'm going to dip it into this again. Taking some more, I'm going to add more. Taking a little bit more, I'm going to add a little bit more. Taking this brush, I'm going to blend it. a little bit. Going in with this Wet n Wild brush again, I'm going to dip it onto Bling Bling right here and add it onto my crease. Bling Bling, baby. Now we take the brush and you see our hand like this right here. We do this, we clean it up a little bit because I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to dip it into Rockstar again. Yeah. And I'm going to add it right here too. Oh my god, it fell out. Oh my god. Bro, I need to get a new one. Anyways, this brush again and going in with this one right here. I'm going to, yeah, like, you know, yeah. It's looking nice. Oh my god. Too close. Oh, it's looking nice. Yeah, boy. So, oop, wrong way. Alright, so off camera, I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my face and add the lashes. Then we're gonna come back and we're going to put something in the inner corner of the eyes and maybe add glitter onto the bottom. I'll be back. I'm back. So I'm going to go in with the Dose by Juvia's palette and this brush again, but I cleaned it though and just tinted. Yo, I swear I let all my palettes fall. You see that? So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Yeah. I hate when powder gets on my eye. Yeah. Now I'm going to go in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and I'm going to put it on my bottom lashes. Why do I make that face? Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more.